Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about HATEOAS furthermore, and in here if we check the URI like /showroom/brands/brand ID, then definitely we have implemented a specific HATEOAS link which is self link. But this is not enough. For example, the name of this element is links, right? So there could be like more than one links. As of now, we only have the self link. Moreover, there is no reference for the products link, right? So this is again a bummer that after looking at this particular response, the user won't be able to identify the yet another sub resource which is available for this brand. For example, if I navigate to /products, we get an entire list of products for the brand ID too, right? So now moving forward, we will only focus on this URI segment where we will add multiple links, more than one link. So let's get started. Now in here, if I show you, we have added a link using the setLink method, which is nice, good enough. But if I show you the resource, if I show you the model real quick, then we will be able to see that in the model we are only taking a object of link, right? But now as we would like to add multiple links, definitely we need to add a list of link. So let us update it. So it would be like list of link whose name is links, right? Let me add the required package. All right. And if we check the getters and setters, there would be errors now. Let me get rid of it. And now let me again right click, navigate to source and generate the getters and setters for our newly created links list. All right. So now it will receive a list and it will return a list, which is good enough. But whenever we are creating an object, we need to create a list of object in order to deal with the getters and setters. So take a note of it. All right, so this is nice. And now let us again navigate to our resource, brands resource. And in here, we won't be able to set a link directly. We need to add list of the link object. So let us get rid of it. And now let us create a list, in fact. So first of all, we have created a object of link type where we have the self tag, which is good enough. Now let us also add a yet another link. So it would be like a link, and it would be link for products. In fact, we will also update this name to self. All right. And we will type in new link. And first of all, we need to give the link as a string, and then we will also give the relationship. First of all, let us give the relationship as products, which is nice. But now this link needs to be built. Now we need not to take only the absolute path. We need to take a absolute path, and then we need to also attach the keyword products. So in here we have something known as absolute path builder. We will make use of it. So it would be like URI.get absolute path builder. Using this builder, we can add in a path element. So it would be like path, and we will add in products to it. And then finally, we will build this URI. All right. So this is good. Now friends, this particular method, this particular builder will definitely return a URI element, a URL. As a result, we need to convert it. So we will type in to string, and our conversion will be done. And we are good to go, in fact. So in here, we have a URI where we are simply taking the absolute path, and then we are attaching products. So this builder will attach /products to the absolute path, and we need not to worry adding the slash would be added automatically. All right, so this is good. And now finally let us create a list. So it would be like list of link and we will give the name as links. And now definitely we will add in the elements. So it would be like links dot add. First of all, let me add the self object, and then we will again add in the products object. Alright, and now finally let us add in the element into this brand object. It would be like brand dot set, and we will set the links. Alright, now we have forgot to initialize links, so it would be like new array list. Alright, so this looks good to me. Cool stuff. Now finally let us try to run this application, and we would be able to see a list in our response. Alright, the application is up and running. Let us navigate to Postman, and now let us retry. And here is the response, which is amazing. This links is again a array, and inside this array we have multiple elements. The name of the elements are self and products. We have multiple links. The links are getting generated perfectly. Slash products got added perfectly. Everything seems to be good enough. Now friends, moving forward to our original resource. In here, as of now, it is good enough and we are able to perform everything properly. But imagine we don't have access to this absolute path builder or absolute path. We only know our base URL. Moreover, the path element also contains a variable similar to this particular scenario. How we will handle those kind of scenario, how we can map paths from different classes, different methods, is something which we will discuss in our next video. So there are like a couple of more things which we need to discuss in our next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next video with some interesting information. Thanks for watching.